Hi, and welcome back to our channel. As we approach 2025, tremendous changes are coming to the UK visa framework that will influence many applicants worldwide. Today, we're diving deep into these significant updates that will reshape the landscape of UK immigration, particularly focusing on financial requirements, visa fees, and application procedures. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Now, let's begin. The most prominent changes, effective from January 2025, revolve around increased financial thresholds, which the UK government has implemented to ensure migrants can adequately support themselves while contributing to the British economy. Let's break down these changes and understand what they mean for future applicants. One of the main updates is the 11% increase in savings limits across various visa categories. This change reflects the UK government's response to rising living costs and housing pressures in major cities. The increase aims to ensure that incoming travelers have sufficient funds to support themselves without stressing public resources. The skilled worker visa category has undergone perhaps the most significant changes, as applicants must now demonstrate a minimum salary of £46,637, a remarkable increase from previous thresholds. This change affects both sponsored and non-sponsored workers, though the requirements differ slightly between these categories. Sponsored workers must receive job offers from Home Office-approved employers at or above this salary threshold, while non-sponsored applicants must show this amount in savings maintained for 28 continuous days. For international students, the financial requirements have seen major changes. Those planning to study in London must demonstrate funds of £1,483 per month for living costs, while those studying outside London will require £1,136 per month. For students pursuing a one-year master's program, the total requirements are £13,347 for London-based studies and £10,224 for institutions outside London. These figures represent a significant increase from previous requirements and must be carefully considered when planning your studies. Visa fee increases have been implemented across various categories, including student, spouse, family, and child visas. However, the government has maintained certain exemptions to support key sectors. Healthcare workers, military personnel, carers, and individuals in specific skill-based roles will continue to benefit from fee exemptions or reductions, recognizing their essential contributions to the UK. The 28-day rule has become increasingly critical under the new system. This rule requires that all funds used to meet financial requirements must be held in the applicant's account for at least 28 consecutive days before the application date. Moreover, bank statements or financial evidence must not be older than 30 days when submitting the application. This stricter enforcement aims to ensure genuine financial stability among applicants. For families planning to migrate together, these changes require careful financial planning. Dependent applications now face increased financial thresholds, and the cumulative cost of visa applications for families has risen accordingly. Parents and guardians must account for their own financial requirements as well as additional funds required for each dependent. The healthcare surcharge, while not directly part of these January 2025 changes, remains a significant consideration for visa applicants. This fee grants access to the National Health Service, NHS, during the visa period and must be paid upfront along with other visa fees. Preparation has become more vital than ever under these new regulations. Prospective applicants should begin preparing their finances well ahead of their intended application date. This includes ensuring stable employment or sufficient savings, gathering required documentation, and maintaining the necessary funds for the full 28-day period. For employer-sponsored workers, these changes require reviewing and potentially adjusting salary packages to meet the new thresholds. Organizations planning to recruit global talent should consider these increased costs in their recruitment budgets and timelines. The impact of these changes extends beyond individual applicants to educational institutions and businesses. Universities may need to adjust their international student support services and financial guidance, while employers might need to reconsider their global recruitment strategies and salary packages. It's important to note that these changes reflect the UK government's broader immigration policy goals of attracting highly skilled individuals while ensuring they can contribute positively to the economy. The increased financial requirements aim to strike a balance between maintaining the UK's position as an attractive destination for global talent and managing immigration pressures. For those planning to apply for UK visas in 2025, starting preparations early is crucial. This includes researching specific requirements for your visa category, obtaining necessary documentation, and ensuring financial requirements are met well in advance. Consider consulting immigration advisors or legal professionals to navigate these changes effectively. Remember that immigration rules can be complex and subject to interpretation. While these changes are significant, successful applications remain achievable with proper planning and preparation. Stay informed about any additional updates or clarifications from the UK Home Office as we approach January 2025. The key to navigating these changes successfully lies in thorough preparation, attention to detail, and ensuring all financial and documentary requirements are met well before submission. Whether you're a student, skilled worker, or a relative joining family members in the UK, understanding and adapting to these new requirements is essential for a successful visa application. Let's stay updated on recent UK immigration policies and visit the UK official website for potential changes before any applications are made. Thank you for joining me in today's discussion. If you found this video informative, please share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, take care.